Hey guys, it's Nancy with Better Life Blog, and today I'm so excited to introduce the Valentine's Day SVG bundle. I'm going to walk you through all of the files. There's lots and lots of cute ones, so check it out, and the link to the Etsy listing is in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoy. There's lots of fun crafts for you guys to do. This is the Valentine's Day SVG bundle, and it has 38 unique designs in it. This is actually $205 worth of files, and it's only $16 if you get them all as one bundle. So I've got all these cool files, and you can just take a look here. These screenshots are also available on Etsy, and there's a link to the Etsy listing in the description box, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. So I'm just going to go through all the designs. Here's the first design. It says Be My Valentine, and it is a cute design with some swirls and cute little hearts. And you know, here's an example of how you could use that. You could put it on a mug or any application really. It's just very pretty and swirly. And here's another swirly design with all of the flourishes and hearts, and this is a fun one as well. And we've got this love, which is very pretty, can be used in a lot of different ways also, like here on this oven mitt or on this mug. These are just mock-ups. These are examples of how you could use them. And then this is another file. This actually has a bunch of individual designs on here. A few different versions of love. Love you with some arrows, X's and O's, and arrows and hearts and things like that. And so here is another example of how you can use that with some vinyl and just sticking them on some jars and things like that. And this is one of my favorites. This is the dandelion that says You Blow Me Away. And I actually had so much fun making this one. I have a video that you guys should check out, not only the one of me making this with the canvas bag, but also the one of me designing this. So make sure you guys check that out. Here is an example of a canvas bag. This is not the actual canvas bag that I made. This is just a mock-up, but it looks pretty darn similar. So make sure you guys look out for that video. And here's another example. This would also be cute on a pillow or a shirt. So lots of different ways that you can have fun with this design. And then we have the conversation hearts, you guys. So there are a couple of different versions of these. So there is this version which has the dark shadow around it, and then there's a second version that doesn't have the shadow around it, so that, you know, if you don't have all those colors of vinyl, that you could just use you know, the colors that you have and just work with them. And then we have this cute teddy bear, and he is holding a box of chocolates for you, and it says love, and then there's cute little hearts coming out. And this would be perfect for a shirt. You could also use it on like a towel or any kind of gift that you're giving. I was also thinking this would be really cute as you know, doing layering with like cardstock, and you could put it on a card. Same thing with this Be Mine. There's a couple of these cute little character ones that would just be perfect for cutting out, making cards, or lots of different ways, maybe print and cut, things like that. So this is a cute little Be Mine, and here's an example of it on a shirt. And then I've got a few mason jar designs, which I think are really, really cute. This one says Love Grows Here, and it's got some little hearts and roses growing out of the jar. And here is an example of how you can use that. So maybe painting a sign. And I just love how this came out. Here is the second mason jar design, and this one says the secret ingredient is love, and I think this would be great for if you're giving like baked goods as a gift to somebody. This might go along really well with it. It would really make a cute kitchen towel also. Here is an example of that. So yeah, I think if you're doing gifts, this is a really cute one to give. And then the third one is Love Lives Here. So just another cute version of this design. And I really like the lettering on this one also. It's just really fun and playful, and just it's cute. I love this one. Okay, and here is a Happy Valentine's Day with lots and lots of hearts. Lots of detail in this one, and you could do it all in one color, or you could kind of mix up the colors and add like a couple of different maybe shades of pink, or pink and red and purple. So this would be a fun one to make as well. This is an example of just maybe using some gold vinyl on a box, or lots of different ways that you can use that. Here's a canvas bag that you can do as well. And then here's another Happy Valentine's Day. This is a heart with an arrow coming through it. And here's an example of that on a sweatshirt. And we've got Happy Valentine's Day, a couple different variations of that you can use in different ways. Another one here. And this is a cute one for, I think this would be really cute for a kid. So here's an example of that on a shirt. It's Love Bug, super cute. This would be if you're using like heat transfer vinyl or adhesive vinyl, you would just use two different colors, one layer for the black and then one layer for the red or the pink or whatever color you choose to make for that top color. And then here is another one of my favorites. I love this design. This is the Love is in the Air with the balloons. This is going to be a fun one. I can't wait to make this. I have not made this yet, but I can't wait to do that one for you guys. And this would be great on a shirt or a sign, or lots of different applications for this design. And here's another one of my favorites. I have so many favorites in this bundle. This one is really cute. It says me on the left side, and it's kind of gray and dull. And then on the right side, it says me plus you, and it's a tandem bike, so it's got the two seats and it's got the love coming out of it, and then it just says life is better with you. And so I thought this would be really cute, all of it together. There is a lot going on here, so you would probably need something fairly big to design this on, or with, a wide kind of surface. So a sign might be ideal, or a kind of a wider pillow, or if you have a smaller application to use it on, you could kind of just abbreviate this design and just do the me plus you, and it still gets the message across. So I think that's a really, really fun one also. And then we've got this, you've got the key to my heart, very cute design. And here's an example of that on a t-shirt with some glitter vinyl. It's kind of like a gradient. I think this is like a mermaidy kind of color scheme with the glitter. I'm not sure what the name of this vinyl is, so I'll have to check that out for you guys. And then we've got this 2 peas in a pod. The first thing that came to mind was like either best friends or twins or siblings. So this is a really cute design for 2 people who are really, really close. So this is a fun one also. There's an example of that on a t-shirt. And then And then we have this robot, and he's saying, "My heart beeps for you," and he's just super cute, and he's in love. And so I did a couple examples of some shirts. I think this would be cute for a boy or a girl. And there's two versions of this. So one is with the colors and the layering, and another is just the single color version there. And here's another fun little character one. This is a cute little monkey, and he's saying, "I go bananas over you." This is going to be a little bit more layering, or you can use like a print and cut type of thing. And there is that. And then we've got the peanut butter and jelly saying, "We belong together." This is a really cute one. I love how they're just like looking at each other and they're in love. So that would be really cute on a shirt. And there it is. And then we've got hugs and kisses. I got a couple ones with the lips in here coming up right now. Here's love you, and the O is the pair of lips, or love ya, sorry. And there's the love ya on a canvas bag with some glitter, with the red glitter. And then we've got sealed with a kiss. So there's an example there on a mug. And then we've got an I love you with a cute frame around it, a wreath. And in this set, I think would be really cute for mugs, like if you were doing a set of mugs or couple of mugs. So love is brewing, and that could be for either coffee or for tea drinkers. You're my cup of tea, specifically for tea drinkers, or I love you a latte for coffee drinkers. And then the made with love, that could either be for mugs, or that could also be maybe for a sweet treat or a baked item. You can put this on, you know, something like a baggie or a box or something like that, and give that as a gift. And then we have this cute little, I don't know if you guys made these or ever received something like this when you were in school. Will you be my Valentine? And then it might say something like yes, no, or maybe, or something like that. But I thought it would be fun to say yes, definitely, and absolutely, so that nobody's heart is broken and everybody is happy. So this would be cute, maybe on a pillow or a t-shirt. And then just a simple classic look, so, just a bouquet of roses and I love you. And this would actually be really cute too for Mother's Day also, so that's really cute. And here's another one with love. This is also pretty versatile, and here's just an example of it maybe being etched on glass. And we've got a few more here, guys. Hang in there. I know there's a lot of designs to get through, but we're almost there. So this one is lovebirds, and it's super cute and simple, just a few colors. You could even do this all in one color if you wanted to. Here's an example of what that might look like. And then we've got a couple of Bible verses here also about love. And so this one is John 13:34, and it says, "As I have loved you, love one another." And that's an example on a tote. And then also love never fails, 1 Corinthians 13:8. And we've got an example of this on a sign. And then here's a cute one for either a little kid or I think a kid would be perfect actually for this, heartbreaker, or maybe for your husband. So the heart is broken there, and the left side looks like an E and the right side looks like an A. So there's an example of that on a t-shirt. And then another cute one for a kid. It's Sir Valentine, and he has his mustache, and he looks very, very, very handsome. So Sir Valentine, and you could leave off the hearts if you wanted to, but I think it's really cute, especially for a little guy like this guy. And we've got this cute sign. You guys, I had to incorporate the truck. So I actually have already made the tutorial for that one, so be on the lookout for that. It should be out soon if it's not already out, so make sure you look out for that. And this was just a fun one to design and a fun one to paint and make. And this is not the one that I made, but this one's really cute. I liked the kind of turquoise. That was kind of the idea that I had designed it with. The one that I made, the actual sign that I made, was more of like a steel gray or metallic kind of blue, but I also think that red would be perfect for the truck as well. So have fun with that. Make it yours, make it however you want to make it. With the past trucks, a lot of people have put their family name on the truck, or they maybe just replaced the title or some of the lettering with their family name. So personalize it, make it your own, and have fun with it, you guys. And then we have this very intricate heart that I was inspired to make. I had fun with this one. This is really cool because the way that this was designed, when you're weeding it, the part that's weeding, so not this version, there's actually two separate versions. So one of the versions has these pieces cut out in the middle, and then there's another version that doesn't have these pieces cut out. They're actually just solid. And with that version, you can actually remove the weeding all in one piece. And so you guys are gonna see that I have made these two towels, and one of them has the inverse. So basically I weeded it and I didn't have any waste. You'll see what I'm talking about, but it's basically a pair of towels, and one of them is the part that is the blue, and the other one is the part that's white. So you'll see what I mean. Make sure you guys are on the lookout for that. Make sure you're following the page so that you know what I'm talking about, but it's pretty cool. And that's it, you guys. I hope that you enjoy this bundle. I hope you have fun crafting with it. I hope you have fun making cute Valentine stuff with it. So make sure you go check that out, and let me know which ones are your favorites and which ones you want to see me make on the tutorials. All right, take care, you guys, and happy Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time.